In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a birthday song on your videos using InShot. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and create your new video, photo or collage. So I'll go ahead and tap on video and I want to edit this video that I already have on my InShot app. And this is a video that I want to add birthday song. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to this audio and tap on it. And from here, choose this option called music. Now this will take you to music library and select whether you want to import, or you can as well go ahead and search for music category that you so wish. So for my case, I just want to go ahead and search for a birthday song. I'll tap on search here and then write birthday like that. And this will go ahead and list for me birthday songs that are available on InShot. From the list, select one and then go ahead and download it by tapping on this download option. And then once you have downloaded it, tap on use and the music will be added automatically to your video. So once you have added it, you can now go ahead and adjust it the way you want. If you want to move it, you can also move it to where you want it to begin. And that will be it. If you want to cut it, you can also split it and then cut the section that you don't want. And once you're done, go ahead and tap on the tick to complete your insertion. So our music has been added successfully. So that's how you add birthday song on your videos on InShot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.